welcome to my kitchen. Well, not actually. I am standing in a gallery space here at the Southern Food and Beverage Museum that is dedicated to Leah Chase. We are actually here once again just taking a deep dive in the culture in New Orleans. The city of New Orleans is just so good to us and wanting just to really share what makes their city very, very special. And we are taking it all in. We've gone to the Bayou. We did an airboat tour and we were just looking at the flora, the fauna that you would see there. Congo Square, where a lot of free people of color as well as enslaved people congregated and played music. And standing right outside of Yaya, which is an amazing art program for youth that we are collaborating with. We're getting exposed to a number of things from that time period that are going to be really helpful. There were even a couple of exhibits that we were able to take advantage of. We got to see set design, props, and all kinds of things that are really appropriate for what we're trying to do in being authentic as we represent the city as a part of our attraction. We're here at Xavier University, which is a part of the HBCU system. We have had the most amazing conversation with members of the staff who have talked to us about all aspects of culture for New Orleans. And then we even went out to Avery Island to take a look at a salt dome, which is one of the only areas in Louisiana that has any elevation. It was really important for the team to be able to get an opportunity to come to New Orleans because it's very important that as we're telling a New Orleans story as a part of Tiana's Bayou adventure, we wanted to be really authentic.